The Vantage MAGNUM sliding door is without a doubt our favourite door in the Vantage range. Clean lines, bold styling, elegant, sophisticated and strong. This sliding door system is the ideal choice for upmarket residential applications. Perfect for openings onto outdoor alfresco dining areas. With panel areas up to 3 metres high, the MAGNUM stacking sliding door is fantastic for framing a view and makes an impressive statement within your home. There are so many ways this door can be configured. The door we are looking at here is configured as a 90-degree corner pull-away door to truly open up your space. Notice that there is no post at the corner point. Very stylish. As a conventional stacking door, you have the option to have up to 4 panels. As a bi-parting door, this means it's possible to span a whopping 12 metres. And there's a cavity sliding option where the door simply disappears from view when it's open. There are 2 sill options for standard and high performance applications, and sills can be recessed into the slab for a seamless threshold transition. From a builder's perspective, this door is great because despite having the more solid commercial look, it is designed specifically for residential building applications and there is no need for a subsill. Because it's so strong, the MAGNUM stacking sliding door is also well suited to areas with high wind loads or heavy rain. The panels can be double glazed and run on heavy-duty rollers for long-term smooth operation. If you're looking for style and sophistication, the MAGNUM sliding door is the choice for your home. And of course, the Vantage Residential Series sliding door is available in a wide range of colours to suit your home or building project.